Hey Hayden, what's up?
Oh hey, come here. I'm just researching how and in what ways German architects, citizens, and urban planners rebuilt the beautiful city of Munich.
Rebuilt?
Yeah, come check it out. Munich was bombed in the Second World War. In fact, much of it lay in ruins, therefore it had to be rebuilt. It is an important case study since so much local history was devastated while many citizens were left without their homes and businesses. This is a phenomenon that unfortunately continues around the world today. I also think it is important to see how cities morph and evolve just like biological organisms. Cities really can take on a life of their own.
How are you going to do the research?
Well, as a historian, I can expect to spend many long hours in the archives. In this case, looking at blueprints in Munich city blocks and newspaper articles. Perhaps more exciting, I'll be using technology like ArcGIS and Google Earth Pro to visualize and map how Munich rebuilt.
Cool.
With this project, I'll contribute a key piece of research on how cities evolve and adapt. Did I mention I'll be spending my spring and summer in Munich? Prost.